I think student today. Mm, Tomorrow, not today. Not him, her. Okay, so we'll start. If you want, you can go to my Facebook and check it. Like you can add her. As a friend. So Marathi people on this here, Pune candidates only. So here HDLC, we discuss a few things, right? Frequent changes cannot be applicable. It means whenever the user asking for changes, we can't change. Not only a starting, it's after also we cannot able to change. So delay in a deployment, failure cannot be a rollback. So we cannot roll back whenever you are build a particular thing, then you the new thing is a failure. We can't roll back to the previous one. Application performance at a client unknown means when you deploy it, the client using and how it is performing, we are don't know about that one. So it is another one that is again in a DevOps part. Okay, so a few points previously when I had taken one class that time I we discussed and note down. Here is another one is Agile. So here I open Agile here. Okay, so what is this Agile? Agile means is move quickly and easily. So in a development in an Agile different things are there. So here it is first of all Agile manifesto. This one. Go to Agile manifesto. Scroll down. You can find a agilemanifesto.org. Open this site. Okay, so this is the Agile manifesto for Agile software development. Manifesto for software development. So here is a given some information. We are uncovering better way of developing software, doing it, and helping others to do it. Through this work, we can come to value individuals and interactions over process and tools, working software over a comprehensive document, customer collaboration over a contract negotiation, corresponding responding to changes over a following plan. This is while where there is in the terms of rights value. So these are the people who suggested 12 principles of a agile manifesto. So this is a simple abstract of agile manifesto. Okay, so this is a simple agile manifesto. Okay, here it is. Not actually principles I will tell. So this is just for understanding here. If you are understanding individuals and interactions over a process and tools. Okay, um, every individual, so then they can interact, they can understand what is the process, what is process is going on, and other things, not just using a tools or a process. Okay, also we need a individual interactions, sir. Working softwares or a comprehensive documents. Okay, so we need a software working model is required, working is required, not just a document wise. But customer collaborations or a contract negotiation, the customer required something and collaborate with that one and try to get complete that kind of as per his requirements, not a contract negotiation means customer asking for a certain requirements. So we'll go through that requirements, and if we require any changes, you said like you require these features only and you are now asking a different thing, so we can't do it like that kind of stuff. We don't do. So here is we can achieve more these things. Responding to the changes or following a plan. So what are the starting plan it is there. So instead of only sticking to that plan, instead of sticking to that plan, also we can adopt the changes and we can changes in our product. So this part is for a easy to understanding point. Not this one, this is a totally I copied, but this is a important point. So this is this point. Okay, that is while we are value the item right, the right we have to value the left. So here it is. If you can go to this one, you can find 12 principles of agile software. These are the main principles. There is a 12 principles are there, guys. 12 means you want to be by heart all 12. Understand at least 4 to 5 is important. Okay. Currently, I am also copying this link and I paste here, and also I will give you. I will give it in your chat box also. Okay, so this is a agile manifesto principles. There's a 12 principles are there, so we should read one by one and understand, and more understandable, more we can able to speak. Not required exactly word to word, but the meaningful lines we can able to prepare and we can able to speak. Okay, our highest priority is to satisfy the customer through early and continuous delivery of valuable software. Early, early and continuous delivery. Early and continuous delivery is there. It means instead of waiting for a 6 months or 9 months or maybe 1 year, 1.5 year, 2 years of waiting for a getting a project, so we finish a part of thing. Means okay, this is I will go to the new one. Okay, so again we'll see the this is the client requirements. So client requirements, software requirements, we'll take it, right? So we take the client requirements to dollar. Okay, so as usual, as DLC, we gather the information, analyze the information, design the information. Sorry, design, coding, testing, deployment. So this is a common thing, right? So we gather the requirements, and we'll what we do. So entire requirements. First of all, gathering, analyzing, designing. At the time of designing only, I will divide. Can I complete a complete project, or maybe first I will complete the first phase, means a small working model, not complete project, a basic working model. So I will complete first. Okay, so I'll make it as a phase wise, or mainly it is a working software only, not a phase means just a part of the application. So main phase I will complete it. So okay, first, I will complete a main phase. It means it is nothing but a working software. I will create a working software and deploy the working software to the customer. Okay, I'm not completing the project, so I'm not completely done my client requirement. So what I'm doing is I deploy this working software. So instead of waiting 6 months or 1 year or 2 years, within 1 month or maybe like 2 weeks, 3 weeks, 4 weeks, I completed a main part of the product. So I complete it and I give it to the client. Now client is happy because you start working on it, right? So you can start working on it instead of waiting complete things. You can start working on it. And next one is we'll take the information from the client again. So sorry. Again, next one is we'll take the other information, means do you need any changes? Is software is working fine? Monitor the software like whether it is working or not good in this environment. any changes requirement. So we'll take the information of changes, we'll take the any changes from the client, and we'll change it, and we'll create a second phase. We'll face a second phase. Phase 2 will create. And what we are doing, we're deploying to the customer once the phase 2 is completed. It means he wanted some futures. We add that futures, we deploy the second one. Now client is getting another project. Not entire kind of stuff. Yeah, I have to tell an example. So I will tell an example first. Then last time when I explaining to one batch, that time I got an idea of explaining with WhatsApp is quite easy than telling some stories in that one. So we know everyone knows WhatsApp, right? When a starting of WhatsApp, it is only text messages only text messages. We don't have any other features, only text message purpose only. Through internet we can send a text messages, and that too you don't require any email IDs. All other messaging softwares are linked to email communication base only. Applications emails like a lot of text messages are there. That too you require a mainly computer base. WhatsApp is a not computer base, means not computer base. It is a WhatsApp is mobile base, mobile based application, and you don't require an email id. You just need an email id only for taking backup purpose only. Mainly you require a phone number to phone number communication only. Okay, so we can avoid extra so many mail accounts, free mail accounts kind of stuff. We can avoid it. Phone numbers are more unique. Okay, it's a unique one. So if I want to configure in my mobile phone, I cannot configure same WhatsApp in another mobile phone, same one, because it's a mainly through WhatsApp is a phone number. So then obviously WhatsApp is starting getting successful with the text messaging. Facebook people taken over that one, so they took it and they developed the further one, right? So initially only text messages, later they added a emojis. Okay, what are the emoji emojis that are added? Okay, you can send a emojis in a text messages. Next we can able to send gifs, the graphical pictures you can able to send it, pictures you can able to send it, audio messages you can send it. You can record a audio message, and audio messages also we can able to send it. Pictorial messages you can send it, audio messages you can send it, small videos we can also share it. We can send a small videos also, small videos, not a large videos. We can send it, and we can start like one by one. It is developed, not develop. They didn't develop entire thing in one day. WhatsApp is there. WhatsApp is there with the text messaging. Application is deployed. People are using application. Start sending a messages. But if you see over the period, almost like from 6 7 years, you can see a lot of changes are occur, right? So we can send money. You can send money also. WhatsApp money is also there. Through WhatsApp, you can you can share the contacts. Can share the contacts. You can share the emojis, gifs, pictures, audio messages, video messages. Group messaging is there. Now we are in a WhatsApp group, right? So we can send a money. We can share the contacts. We can share the documents. Okay, we can share the documents also. We can share it. We can put a status. So what is your status? Status kind of stuff is introduced. Audio and video calling. Earlier we required some video calling thing. Earlier either you use Facebook calling, or this kind of stuff, right? So video calling, usually you require a Facebook account, then only we can able to do video calling through it, or any Google chat box or Yahoo messenger. So you can do video and audio calling. But with a mobile phone you can do audio video direct calling we can able to do it through the WhatsApp now. It's which is much better than other softwares. Okay, so no need to tell the people to install compulsory like IMO kind of stuff. Okay, so that is also corrupted. It is now it is not working properly. Now it is WhatsApp audio video callings we can able to do it. Calling feature is introduced later, right? um, Next one is message deletion is also introduced, right? So message, we can delete the message. Okay, we can message deletion, delete messages. And of course I have to tell this one also, right? So this is like a gray check mark. What is the meaning of gray check mark? Single gray check mark. Message is
Searching, sent.
sent.
Single click is sent.
Sent, only
Yeah.
sent. Other side it is
Mm,
not received. If you
correct.
see from your window, like you got a double check mark. Message is
The
received.
receiver and the receiver.
Okay, user the recipient received a message but not checked. Blue or green check mark it is. Always I know we use WhatsApp every day, but blue check mark. Okay, blue double check mark. Meaning is user is
The messages.
checked message, not only received, he has also checked message. Very good, right? Yeah. Seen, yeah, seen. He know a message he checked, that one. Next one is they added another feature is so reply kind of stuff. Not only deleting, reply. Yeah, reappearing. Okay, reply, reply. So reply to the message. Okay, so we can you can just not a message replying. So we can highlight this is the one. Okay, so like I will tell like I forward 4 PPTs. I said this PPT read now, so I can put a reply time. Okay, so you can ask like sir can what is this this is a yesterday what happened. I forward a text file last month. I confused with the date, month I didn't check the month. I see the date and I forwarded it. And I immediately I got this is not the yesterday one, so immediately I forward the new one and I message it. So reply, forward. Okay, we can forward the message to one message to another group. Most of the WhatsApp thing is forwarding kind of stuff only, right? So we can forward the messages. These are all not came with a WhatsApp in the first day of the release, right? First time, maybe if you remember, maybe you may use a WhatsApp from last 4 5 years, right? From almost like your engineering time only, you have a smart mobile phone, and you know the WhatsApp messaging kind of stuff. So do you remember replying, deleting messages, check marks, group messaging, audio video calling? It's not there earlier. Later is added one by one, one by one. Still, lot of things are came like a Telegram, Instagram, Snapchat. So many messaging systems are came, but WhatsApp is in the market. Why? Because of they didn't develop everything in the first day only. So they are develop a first phase for text messages. Later, they include these features slowly one by one, and they tested it each and everything how it is working. Okay, so and it also works for the multi-platform. Yeah, one more is there in a WhatsApp web whatsapp.com kind of stuff. Web applications are a WhatsApp payment. That's I think send money. I put a send money. It's a WhatsApp payment. It's a WhatsApp payment. So web related WhatsApps.
Location option is also there, sir. Sending
You have to
location.
speak loud because of the full raining now. I can't able to hear
Sir,
any.
I'm saying location option is also there, sharing
Yeah,
your
very good,
location.
very good, very good, very good. Sharing current location,
Live location also.
live,
Both
live.
locations we
Yeah,
can. Yeah.
live location, current or a live location. Okay, both are there. Actually, I put up only one, but
Yes.
current location or a live location. So when you are reaching someone, so we can share the live location or a current location or maybe a particular location also. We can send our Google Maps to it, like this is my location. So you can access with that one. We can share the live location. That is a very good feature actually. Okay, location sharing, like
Yes,
that.
sir. Very helpful.
It is very helpful. Like we plan to go to some restaurant. Friends are went to another restaurant and you are unable to locate them which where exactly there. They're telling an address but we don't know, so live location, so we understand the person is very near to us, or left side right side, like that we can do it. It happens so many times in our Pune itself with our candidate students then. Okay, so whatsoever it is, understanding is initially what futures are there in 1 year, and after 1 year, 2 years, 3 years, 4 years, what are the futures are keep adding into the WhatsApp. Same thing is like our agile model. First of all, we develop a phase that is a working model. Just it is a nothing but a working software. We deployed it. Customers are getting working software. Next thing is if any changes requirement or next phases, we develop and we deploy these things to our client. For example, I took a software, it has become a completely blue color. I'll take one yellow color here. I client is required some futures changes, or maybe I'm doing some next phase and I developed. What happened? This is got a failure. This phase is got failure. Okay, so when I deploy to the customers, they got a failure, or maybe I tested it, it is failure. So what I will do? Roll back to the previous one. Roll back to the previous one. This is I deployed, but it is a failure. Deployment or a application or a failure. So what I done? So roll back to the previous one. So like that, it is a possibility is there. And of course, make sure no rollbacks not required. So make we can able to do it. Okay, like, so when you have working a model in your hand, so then you can start working it. So no need to be worry about like things, right? So like that. So you can able to roll back to the previous one. Okay, so this is very simple understanding of your agile. Okay, main point, but like changes, requirements, next development, next phase is development. So this is the thing. Of course, there is a few more examples are there for understanding. So one is like maybe you don't know Windows Vista. Windows Vista is the best example for this one. When Windows XP is there, it is a lightweight one as per current situation, because its minimum requirements are very less, maximum requirements are also very less. Okay, it is highlighted. But later Vista is released, the requirements are high. Why? Because of it is a graphically it is very good. Okay, the coding is very big one. Performance is wise, it is a very slow. Desktop wise is good, like installing, working, the experience is very good. Column is performance is slow. Performance wise performance wise, it is a very slow system. You require minimum 2 GB RAM to run normally. If you want to do any little bit high work, then you require a 4 GB to run normally, so you don't feel lazy. So then it is a problem occur. So they took the Windows Vista and recode it to another operating system that is called a Windows 7. Now Windows 7 came up, the performance issues are reduced. Okay, it is giving a better performance. This is the one of the best example of in a, both Agile and DevOps also. Performance at a client side. Okay, my side is okay because I tested in my environment, it is okay. But when I install an applications and all, there is issues are there. Windows 7 is also having some issues, and Windows 8 with the Windows 8 all the issues are clear, and Windows had have some issues. By Windows 10 everything is clear. Now Windows 10 is we are using, and a lot of releases also there. Okay, so that's performance issues. Again, we'll discuss in a while DevOps part. Okay. Mm. I will give you a lot of examples in the market wise, futures wise, like that. Google launched Orkut. Earlier of the Google Yahoo chat box is there. It's a completely community chat box. Means you can open a community and you can join in the community, like a scientific community, culture community, religious community, or a country wise something, or a topic wise, or a historical. Like different communities are there. You can join into the community and you can talk to those people. Okay, but here it is we are later Google chat boxes came with a Gmail account become a more popular, and it took over all the other mail account kind of stuff. And Google chat box still available. Okay, in a Gmail only. Next one is they introduced Orkut is a social community platform, social media, social like a Facebook only. Orkut is become a popular. That time I don't know Orkut much because I don't have any computer when I was in engineering. Only some friends, those people are talking about Orkut communications between those friends and all, making a friendship, finding a friends in the Orkut like that. And Facebook is launched. I know Facebook from the day almost like a thing. It is a similar to Facebook only. Okay, similar to Facebook only. When Facebook is launched, it is not popular because already a lot of people are using Orkut, but not they are not familiar with the Facebook. When I started using a Facebook, most of my friends don't have a Facebook also, and that too I don't have a computer. I have to go out for a any internet center. That time I taken a Facebook. First, in friends in my Facebook are not direct friends. Means not there are my classmates, but we don't talk each other like that. So that is a one girl also. First she may adding me as a friend because of college base. She's no, we knows each other but not, we don't talk each other. So very less often. That two girls talking is very less, and we talk to someone, we don't talk to someone people like that. Okay, so we got a friends, and like later, Facebook is also a social community like Orkut. Okay, so when Facebook is came, that multiple number of users are very less as compared to Orkut, because Orkut already Gmail account with that one people are there. But Facebook started using different kind of stuff like happy birthday messages, reminder of birthdays. Even I don't remember a lot of people their birthdays. So what I remember is only thing is um, just the notification wise I can remember them, the thing, right? Next one, such ways like my college people I can easily added because of the college name and area name. My school friends also added, one or two members are added into my Facebook because of my school address, my diploma college, like that people are added into that one. Okay, sharing a messaging them, posting on their walls and our walls. Main important in a Facebook is highlighted because of the games. They are not introduced in one day, so they one by one they start deploying one by one futures. Pages, we can create your own personal pages. I have my own personal page also there. That is not belongs to, I don't post my personal thing in that page. Usually I created one page myself also. Okay, so like pages, so like sharing some information, either your personal information or organization pages, or maybe organization pages wise, or we can say some topic wise pages. We can create a pages, you can play a games. Using the games, lot of people are joining to the Facebook. Now Orkut is gone from the market. Orkut is Google itself, they removed the Orkut account. Okay, they removed their Orkut account. They become a popular with the Facebook. And the Facebook is also more secure. They use artificial intelligence to do it. Okay, because of when any social media came up, automatically any sharing information is came up, people post lot of things, like a religious conflicts or a area of interest kind of stuff, abusing words, abusive pictures. In a Facebook, people are put a post like a farmer or a army person. See, they post a farmer or a soldier is okay. Mainly Indians. We talk about in Indian social media. It is mainly, so people will put a message in a downline. What is that downline? A naked girl get a 1,000 likes in a 10 minutes. Let's see how many likes a farmer will get it. What is that thing? It is like it is. I never seen any naked pictures in the Facebook, because if you post such a kind of stuff, the Facebook artificial intelligence will scan entire data. They keep scanning data. There are almost 20,000 people are working only on a complaints one. Okay, so there are scan the artificial intelligence, the automatic one will scan each and every picture you posted. Anything vulgarity or maybe like naked nudity is there in the picture, it automatically deletes that picture. If you want, you can take a picture of yours and put it in a Facebook. See when it will be deleted immediately. So it is automatically deletes. So why these people are thinking they want likes pictures, like lot of people should share their information kind of stuff. This is a kind of attitude we are following now. Okay, that is the people. We can't say anything to them, but this is what saying. It is a artificial intelligence they introduce to, and reporting abusing kind of videos or anything there are posting, or any violence or harassment kind of post we put it, we can report immediately, and action will taken very very faster action it will be there. So reporting red flags will be there, right? So this is why, whether there is a lot of social media things are upcoming, but Facebook is become more stable and more secure. And they're having a challenges also there now. What is the challenge for a Facebook? If you find any bugs in our Facebook, or anybody can able to hack the Facebook, so we'll give you a reward. We don't arrest you, a reward. Like one or two people are won the reward also, and immediately they fix that issues. Okay, so that is, of course, different way of hacking things are there, but not in a main Facebook servers. We can't attack with the direct. We can utilize for a betterment, we can utilize for a worst thing also. But the point is here, Orkut, when they develop, maximum one or two phases they develop and not getting to the market. They are in the market, but they're not unable to grow the across or compete with the Facebook. Facebook launches initially very less because it's a normal software, very less people. But later on, they are added a new features. The future wise, lot of people are joined into the Facebook, and the Orkut is not getting no business. So then obviously, Facebook become a very great platform. Okay, so this is a story of this, the continuous development, the example of continuous development. So continuous development we can able to achieve by this model. Guys, understand the story or enjoyed the story only? Understand what is the continuous development? Very good. Both? Okay,
Yes,
very
sir.
good.
Yes, sir.
Okay, so because these things we know already. Because if I told about a tally is the best example actually. But if I told tally, means we don't know the what is the tally. Lot of people don't know what is the tally also. Lot of people don't know Windows Vista, but we know WhatsApp and Facebook. Guys, take your own example. Either you can use my example, but if you use example, you have to pay me. I will example proprietary also we can do it. Accounting tool, very good. Accounting tool. Okay, so not only one, like a lot of example web applications wise. If you are observe anything in a web application wise also, like a maybe you can tell an example in YouTube, you can tell an example in a make me trip or a reservation system, IRCTC websites, Amazon, Amazon, okay, or Flipkart. You know Amazon, not Amazon. In India, first is Flipkart. In India, first is Flipkart. Where it is? You can tell an example of Flipkart, Amazon kind of stuff also. Lot of e-commerce websites are there, but if you compare with the Flipkart and Amazon, what is their business now? Sorry, cart. Okay. So what is the business started and this one? You know, when I use the Flipkart, that time Amazon is still American. Flipkart in India. So when I use for purchasing only books, starting only books, it took almost like a more than 1 week, minimum 1 week it will take. If you are in a Bangalore, 1 day delivery, or maybe same day delivery also there in a Flipkart. But if you are in a other than Bangalore, so because Bangalore is the main one, so they store everything. They have a stock in their godown and they will sell it. They'll take the stock and then they will sell it. Now directly sales from a normal shop to through Flipkart you can sell to anyone. Okay, so if I'm a shopkeeper and then I have some products, so I can sell through Flipkart or maybe Amazon. Okay, right? So like that Flipkart I'm through sending, right? That is next development. Next is electronic equipments. Initially books, then electronic equipments like a mobile phone. You can buy mobile from the Flipkart that time. So later they introduce home needs. Home needs like a AC or a kitchen related one, mainly storage containers kind of stuff. They introduce home needs kind of stuff, and later they introduce. Now yesterday I order vegetables from the Flipkart. 90 minutes quick delivery is also there in Flipkart. Amazon also same thing. Both are now almost they're delivering a max thing. Okay, vegetable I purchase it. Like groceries we can purchase it. Regular groceries we can purchase it. Normal items you can able purchase. You can I have to send some gifts or maybe for my sister kid. So I have to buy something and want to give, but I no need to go there. I can order from here. She's getting there in a Visakhapatnam, right? So like that I can purchase here, they will get it. Amazon is also including lot of products, own Amazon products like a Amazon Kindle. There are developed and selling Amazon this Alexa kind of stuff. Um, Amazon Prime or OTT, the further development software. But within the website, within that web application, what we can able to do it. Okay, Prime kind of stuff, flash sales, different kind of things like a you can buy fresh kind of stuff. Different payment options we are getting. We can pay from the Flipkart directly. Flipkart money is there, Amazon money. he can purchase it. Okay, and also when price is down, automatically you will get the price down, price not available. This kind of stuff we can able to purchase it. Yeah, only cabinet is remain. This is i3, the increasing cost every day. Okay, so this is another example we can able to give. Okay, when they ask the question what is the difference between SDLC and Agile DevOps, best examples are WhatsApp, Facebook, Flipkart, Amazon, or any other things like IRCTC reservation system, a cancellation system, flight booking system, like that. Okay, so we can introduce one day everything, not they won't create in a single time. So it is a continuous development, continuous delivery. What I am telling it is the pain point is continuous. Spelling, 1 second. OUS. Sorry, that's I got it out. Continuous development. Okay, so what is the main point of this agile is continuous development and continuous delivery, or you can say deployment or a delivery. Okay, deployment means delivering projects to the customers. These are the main aims we can able to achieve in a agile. I told very big story, so then it is time taken. But I think you guys are understand at least this point. Okay, so continuous delivery, yearly and continuous. Only one point I explained big story. But guys, if you are understand, that is good for me, good for you also. Okay, and make sure if the relevant question like a SDLC, Agile, or a DevOps differences, compulsory you can able to tell with an example. Okay, with an example, so they will happy with if you are giving with an don't start with an example, just tell some main points. Then, for example, tell an example if you can able to this. Build your story. Try some story for it. Discuss with others. Welcome changes requirements. Any changes we can able to take it. Even late in the development means I'm developing. Meanwhile, client ask, I need this feature. I need these changes. I don't want this one. So instead of saying get out from here, we don't say, but instead of saying it is not possible kind of stuff, welcome it. So if possible, changes. If not, deliver the main content, and in the next phase, you can do changes, and with the changes you can deliver. Agile process harness changes for a customer competitive advantages. Okay, this is another important point is early and continuous development and continuous delivery. Next one is welcoming changes. Second point, deliver working software frequently from couple of weeks to couple of months with a preference to the shorter time scale. Yeah, here it is. Pranav told that one. It is like a sprint. Sprint means short term, 100 meters, 200 meters. We call as a sprint. Marathon, 5 kilometers, 10 kilometers, 20 kilometers is a marathon. So marathon means it will take lot of time, and you have only winners has to run for longer period of time, and they have to finally achieve in a one last scale, right? So that is a marathon. It is a sprint type. So we don't wait for completing 10K. We do 100 meters only. We don't go with a 10K run, we go with a 100 meters only. So that is a sprint type. Frequent delivery we can achieve like that. So deliver working software frequently. Okay, immediate, like one completed, phase one completed, deliver. Second one completed, deliver. Any changes, do changes and deliver. So this is frequent delivery. You can achieve by a couple of weeks to couple of months within the preference a shorter time period. Business people and developer must work together daily throughout the project. The business people, also business people, developers, both will work together. Means direct interaction. Like this is a progress of our work. When it will be work completed. Okay, estimation. Do you need any changes? Do you need this part, this much part is completed? If you want to know, we'll give you this one later. We will give you this one. Testing is going on, issues are there, these are the issues. So we can estimate the time of delivery and the real requirements. So instead of adjust with some issues, instead of that one, so we can go with a more better towards that is also. Instead of business to business people communication, business people to developer communication is more important to achieve this kind of stuff. Build projects around motivated individuals, give them environment support they need, and trust them to get job done. Okay, so give project to people who are want to do it, who can able to do it, who motivated the people. So give the environment work, let them do it, trust them to do it, and let the job get done. So that is the point here. um, I'm not pressing on this point more. Okay, just I will go to the move next one. Most efficient, effective method of conveying information to and within the development team is face-to-face conversion. Okay, here it is in a IT organization. What will happen? You know, day of the work started. Day of the work started. Morning 9 o'clock, work started. So what the thing will happen at 9 o'clock? They will conduct a meeting. First 9 o'clock meeting is there. Okay, so in the meeting they will tell you these are the changes you have to make it. These are the issues are there. So these issues you have to solve this day. Yeah, right. Jira board. Jira. Yeah. Anyway, I will tell that example. Good, good, good. Jira. Okay. So every progress, what is the current, how much it is completed, how much has to be done, what is the current issues, where we stopped, where it is issues are occur. Okay, like this, everything we can communicate in an entire team. Project manager, business person, team leaders, team members, developers, testers, builders, deployers. Everybody will face to face conversion. This is my part. This is your part. So work assignment, and how much we can able to complete it. That one. So like that. In the evening, end of the day, day completed, 8 hours completed. Again, meeting is there. How much work is completed? And you have to put a mail. This much of work is completed today. There is a 10 issues are there. I completed 8 issues are fixed and running, tested finally. These are the issues I completed. These 2 issues are not completed. I escalate the issues to another team. So then they are working on it. So you have to tell how much work is completed in the end of the day. So everything is face to face communication. Any issues are there, how to solve it, what are the trials we can able to it, what kind of test we have to do it. So that is we can able to discuss directly. So that is a face to face communication is required. Yeah, that is a very good thing, is a Jira. Okay, other tools also there, guys, not only Jira. Lot of tools are there, but I'm telling in a Jira way. Jira is a Atlassian organization one. You can use a trial version, but if you want you can try in your uh, organization only. Jira mainly three applications are there. One is IT service desk related one. Okay, another one is some monitoring related. Yeah, here is also there, GitLab, Trello, Slack. My point is, go to images. Just simple, go to images. open any image from the Jira. This is from direct Jira website only. This is from Jira website only. So this is the image. If you see image, maybe you cannot see image. It is open directly in Atlassian is Jira one only. The whole so we open already. I showed earlier, no. So can you see this one board? This is the project board. Scrum is a tool, agile tool. Agile has a lot of tools. One of the tool is Scrum. Okay, Scrum or Agile or everything is same only. Agile is the main concept. So they put a name for a Scrum and they're following rules. They changes requirement as per that one. See, to do. This is a to do list. What are the things you have to do, and who is doing that one? Is it on progress or not done? Like this, it is. Next, in progress. What are the things in progress? This is to do, not yet started. It is to do. It is in progress. It types everything is there. Code reviews. There is an issue, so you have to review on it. Done. Completed. Done. Can you able to view this one, right? To do, in progress, code review, done, errors, fixes. So those kind of stuff also view here it is. This is a dashboard. It will tell you what is your project based on your project. What is the process is going on currently running. What we should do it. Okay, what is done, what is we have to do, what is in ongoing, what is the retesting or a review kind of stuff. Issues, reporting and issues like that. Releases. What is a release? Means once it is done, you have to release. Yeah, completed. Once it is fixed, completed. Reports, the progress, how it is done. Earlier, how many issues are there in a per day. Now, how many issues are there? How many fixes without errors we can do it like that. We can able to do it. This is a project window like this. Okay, this is a direct put everything on a board only. So no need to feel shy to tell this is not working. Okay, what is that one? So anybody another one in a agile is like a scrum or a Jira board. I know, I understand the issue, I know how to fix it. Instead of escalating to the other team to review for that one, so I know the issue, I can do it in a 5 minutes instead of wasting hours of time for fixing that one for another team. So I know the issue immediately, I can take it, work it and fix it. Who work, the name will be there. Okay, so that is the thing. Now everything is like a uh, fair and square type only. Okay, working software is a primary measure of progress. Working software is a primary measure of progress. It means you have to deliver a working one. Later, you can, while you are developing new thing, if it is good, working, good. If it is not working, no problem, because already user is using working progress, working software on. You are developing for a next person per thing. If it is works good, then it is definitely very good. If it is not working properly, but client already using a product, right, already is using. So if your new phase or a new development, new version not working properly, or maybe you are unable to develop properly, or maybe something issue is there, you have to recheck it and we can redevelop it, and then only after working you can deliver it. So it's a primary measure. Working software is important, not fail something kind of stuff. Okay, so it is just like a you know how can you tell, like yeah, no examples. You can create your own example. Okay, agile process promote sustainable development. The sponsors, developers, users should be able to maintain constant space indefinitely. Oh, it is a very good one. Agile process promote sustainable development. Sponsors, developers, and users must able to maintain constant space indefinitely. Meaning is, so everyone is a part of our business. Everyone will be promoted. Promotion means not a job promotion, can it? It is like everyone involvement and constant development we can able to maintain. Continuous attention to the technical excellence and good design enhances agility. So designing must be proper to adopt updates, new features, new deployments like that. The good design will give you go to the quick next things. Okay, so that is a continuous attention to the technical assistance and good design. Simplicity, the art of maximizing the amount of work not done, is essential. That is, people think I written this agile manifesto. Some people will think because of the lines. Okay, don't think I didn't written any line here. I'm explaining. That's it. Okay, language is sometimes it is confusing. Okay, a simplicity. So maintain a simplicity project instead of adding more colors or more something, more advertisement and all. So better to create, make sure it is working. Okay, and what is not working, so make sure that is not working, and later we can work on it and we can able to give importance and make it work. Okay, so very simple we can do it. Best architects requirements and design emerge from the self organizing teams. Okay, take it from the organization only. Architects requirements design, we can understand and do it. So instead of contacting other organization to do it at regular intervals, the team reflects how to become more effective, then tunes and adjusts to behavior accordingly. Okay, so according to requirement of project requirements, chance work and all, instead of throwing onto the others, this is not my work and all kind of stuff, we have to adjust according to people who are working in our environment. Learn the new things, adapt it. Okay, and make it work with your project. So these are the 12 manifestos of a 12 principles. These are the 12 principles of agile manifesto. So I am putting all the lines in the notepad. So what you have to do is, guys, read once, and what points you are understand, and you can explain, or maybe you can give some example on that point. Concentrate on those points only. Even if it is a 4 5 points also, okay. If you don't understand or you cannot able to explain it, like you understand this point but you cannot tell that point directly, no problem. Okay, so make sure what are the important points, main important points. I'm telling here again is, first one is customer satisfaction through early and continuous delivery. Important is continuous delivery, early and continuous delivery. Frequent deployment from couple of weeks to couple of months. Frequent deployment from couple of weeks to couple of months. Shorter time cycle you can do, like a sprint. Immediately with a lesser time we can able to deliver a main part of project. Later we can develop continuously and continuous delivery. Welcome the changes. Another important one is welcome the changes. Okay, new changes are there, so welcome the changes. Add the changes into your current development cycle, or maybe if not possible, then go to the next development life cycle, then we can develop in that one. Okay, so we can always welcome the changes from the client. Like in SDLC we cannot welcome the changes. Business people talking in a SDLC, but business people, developers, and means people who are working on that project, everybody should directly face to face talking, sharing information, estimate the completion of current life cycle or next life cycle related information, issues, what work should be done today, what work will be completed within the week. So like that we can able to discuss that one. Build projects and around motivate like, yeah, it is common thing. So people who are working based on their working knowledge and all, we can share the work and we can make the work into that one only. Okay, so we don't entertain the people is like, this is not my work kind of people. So we'll leave it. So people who involve in the work and who can able to adjust and coordinate each other and work in the for our project, so we'll join into the same project. Effective and efficient method of conveying information to within the development team is face-to-face communication, not just a document preparation. Directly conduct a meeting, tell them what is the progress and what to do and what. Always a working software is a priority. So I'm not going down. Okay, of course these are also important points. I'm not going down, guys. Check the each point you understand. Early and continuous delivery, customer satisfaction, early and continuous delivery, couple of weeks to couple of months frequent software delivery, welcome changes. Okay, communicate, communicate, with a fairness, like communicate with the entire team, both the business and developers, entire work daily. Face-to-face communication is required, so then we can discuss the work progress, changes, requirements and all, instead of just throw the documents, or sharing the documents. Not only that one, so also face-to-face communication will give you more support and more easy, who can able to work it. Okay, our primary thing is working softwares. That's it. Okay, guys, understand these points at least. What I told, this point: early and continuous, welcome changes, frequent delivery, in a couple of weeks to couple of months, face to face communication, business people and developers communication. Guys, do you understand this one up to here or not?
Yes, sir.
Very good. Okay, so this is a your agile, your agile. Okay, next one is DevOps. Next one is DevOps. Guys, I will give you a lunch break, so don't worry. Please don't die now. Okay, complete your interview, select an interview or pass in your interview, then you can decide. Okay, so here, only one point. So what we discussed in the afternoon, so that I'm telling next part. I'm telling next part is a DevOps model. Okay, what is this DevOps? We understand agile. DevOps means development and operations. Very simple. Development and operations. Development side, development is there. What is operation side? Delivering the project, installations, making is working or not, monitoring the application performance, continuous monitoring is required. Okay, so that is a DevOps. So it is agile in dev, agile in development and agile in operations. What is agile thing? Frequent deliveries, continuous deliveries, continuous process. Agile is a continuous process. SDLC is not continuous process. It is a not a continuous, it's once completed, that's it. But agile is a continuous process. and we do continuous thing in the development and operations also. Agile in the development, agile in the operations. Normally agile in the development or agile process is a continuous process. It means continuous development and continuous delivery. From continuous process development to continuous deployment or a delivery kind of stuff we are doing it. But in a DevOps also continuous monitoring is there. DevOps is continuous monitoring is there. So that is DevOps. So it is both the benefits. Guys, before we go to the DevOps, means I will explain what is DevOps in that one. Remember this point, guys. Mechanical, civil, or maybe electrical, electronics, CSC, IT. Anyone can learn DevOps. First important again, I am from ECE. I learn DevOps. I am not a software candidate. I'm not do any software thing. But I learned DevOps. I'm teaching DevOps to so many batches I completed. Basic DevOps only I will teach anyway, not something like all deployment kind of stuff. So I know only 4 or 5 tools to, at least I will tell only 3 tools. I will try. Okay. Important thing is DevOps use in your development, mean software development, uh, is in software development. Okay, use in development, and it is not a development tool. Okay, it is not even a tool. It's not a, it's not tool. Okay, it is again open source. It means anybody can use DevOps is a open source type, and it is a life cycle type only. It is a kind of life cycle type only. Okay, it is a kind of life cycle only. It is not a simple tool. It contains so many tools. Okay. Okay, so we use so many open source tools. That's why DevOps is much getting much in the market. Is we use so many open source tools. Okay, very important, very important is it is not software development. It is not a software to develop, and it is not a software development. It is more like a administration, like a server admin, network administration kind of stuff. Server administration, right? Windows server, Linux server. We create some resources. We do it like it is more like a administration side, not a software development kind of stuff. You don't require any programming languages, any testing tools, nothing you require. You need to know how to administrate this DevOps environment, DevOps tools, how to connect these tools to useful for a software development. It is used in the software development, but it is not a software development. You don't need to develop anything. You don't need to learn any programming languages. You don't need to do any other things. Very simple. It is like administration. So you don't need to worry about, sir, we are not came from the development background, not a CSCIT, but still it is a very useful and okay. So this is my one point I'm adding before we are disconnecting. Guys, understand agile or not? Only one thing. Do you understand agile or not? Shanmukanand said yes. But I need to get mainly from mechanical, triple E and ECE people. CSC people already know, they know everything, right? CSC people are maybe disappointed.